こんにちは。Welcome to Free Kitchen. Today, Moo is going to make Vegetable Ankake Rice Bowl. This Japanese rice bowl features a variety of vegetables cooked in a thick, savoury sauce known as ankake. In Japan, ankake refers to dishes covered in a rich, glossy sauce with flavors that can vary. The thick consistency of the sauce ensures it clings to every ingredient, delivering a flavorful and satisfying experience in every bite. For this recipe, the sauce has a savory and delicate flavor with a hint of ginger, making it absolutely delicious when served over warm, fluffy rice. It's comforting, nourishing, and a wonderful way to enjoy plenty of vegetable while keeping you warm and satisfied. Okay, let's get started. First, we will prepare the vegetables. This recipe is for 2 servings. Cut 150 grams of Chinese cabbage into chunky pieces. Cut 1 pak choi into bite-sized pieces. Slice 2 shiitake mushrooms. Take 50 grams of carrot, halve it lengthwise, and slice thinly. Cut 3 baby corns into segments. Finally, prepare 8 pots of snow peas. If they are large, cut them in half. Moo has chosen these vegetables because they are common in ankake dishes, but you can customize the recipe with your favorite stir-fry vegetables. Now, let's make the sauce. In a bowl, place half a vegetable stock cube, or if using small cubes like oxo, use 1 cube. Add 300 ml of hot water and dissolve the stock cube. Add 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Mix everything well. In a small bowl, mix 1.5 tablespoons of cornflour or potato starch with 3 tablespoons of water. This is for thickening the sauce. And set aside. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add all the vegetables except the soft leafy parts as they can become too soggy if added too early. Stir fry for about 2 minutes. No need to cook them through just yet. Then pour in the sauce and simmer for another 2 minutes. Now, add the soft leafy parts of the Chinese cabbage and pak choi. Then mix everything. Give the cornflour mixture a quick stir. Then pour it into the pan. Stir constantly and cook for 30 seconds or until the sauce thickens to glossy, smooth texture. To finish, drizzle half a tablespoon of sesame oil and sprinkle 2 pinches of black pepper. Then mix. To serve, place freshly steamed short grain plain rice in a bowl and spoon the vegetables and the sauce generously over the top. Deきた! Moo, how does it taste? Okay, Moo said. The savory, silky ankake sauce clings perfectly to the vegetables, highlighting their natural sweetness and adding a gentle hint of ginger warmth. The soft, fluffy rice underneath soaks up the flavorful sauce, making every bite a delightful harmony. This dish feels nourishing and cozy, a true comfort food that both wholesome and delicious. Thank you for watching Fili Fili Kitchen. ありがとう! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye! またね